Okay, guys, in this example, we're going to take a look at solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula, but this time the equation will not be written in standard form. So what do we mean by standard form? So standard form is supposed to be ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Well, that's not happening here because I do not have a 0 on the right-hand side. So in order to make it into standard form, I need to move the 3 from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. And I do that by subtracting it. So if I were to just subtract 3 from the right-hand side and also from the left-hand side, it'll cancel over here. So I will then get 4x squared minus x minus 3, and then I will get a 0 on the right-hand side. So I'm basically taking that 3 and moving it to the right side, and it becomes negative 3. So it switches sign as you move it from the right to the left, and now the equation is in standard form. At this point, you're going to need to figure out what's a, so that's the coefficient of x squared, so that's 4. What's b? So this is going to be a little bit tricky because x just has a minus in the front. What does that mean? Can b be a minus? Well, that doesn't look right, right? And so remember that we can always insert a 1, and so b is really going to be a negative 1, and then c will be negative 3. So this is the setup. Now that it's in standard form, we are ready to put it in Desmos. So let's take a look at what we get. So first of all, let's figure out what case do we have here. So the discriminant is 49, which means it's a positive discriminant. So that means I'm going to have two solutions. And Desmos already gives them to me because 49 is a perfect square. It's a square of 7. So Desmos gives you two solutions. One is 1 and the other one is negative 0.75. So generally speaking, they want you to, if you can, express the answer as an integer or as a fraction, not a decimal. So in order to do that, we're just going to click on the little button here, and it tells me that the other solution is negative 3/4. So this is your 1 and this is your negative 3/4.